the YGG Play Summit 2025. Please welcome to the stage the country head of YGG Pilipinas and the driving force behind this incredible event, Mensch Dizon.
From all over the globe as well as all over the Philippines. So this morning, today actually is quite special for the YGG Play Summit. If you notice, a big part of our preparation and focus this year is on Metaversity. If you ask me, that is really the reason why I am with YGG Pilipinas, why I'm leading YGG Pilipinas. So maybe I'll give you a bit of a background, how we all started. No? So in 2021, YGG started in our tiny home in Pasig. No? My husband, Gabby Dizon, who's the co-founder of YGG, started it in our tiny room in Pasig. He discovered this game, Axie Infinity, and he was one of the first few Discord. And then he started to just lend these Axies to people, no? Without even any intention of getting paid for these. So sometimes he gets surprised that he got paid via GCash, no? When people started to really earn from playing their Axies. But that was how it started, no? It really was, YGG has always been a coming together, no? YGG has always been a movement, no, of gamers, a community of gamers coming together. And that's really how we started, and that's how we came together. But then we realized that as we came together, we started to also learn together. So we jointly learned things together and navigated a very complex and new technology and industry. So Web3, blockchain, crypto, these are very difficult topics to understand. But because we came together as a community, helped each other, and really sat down with each other as neighbors, as communities, as family members, then we were able to really understand and have people we trusted learn this type of industry, this technology. So it is a very unique part of Filipino culture is what we call bayanihan. Bayanihan is this culture of helping each other out, helping your friend, helping your family, helping your neighbor. Just really understand, no, things, especially things that are hard to fathom or navigate. So this unique Filipino culture of bayanihan made us the perfect community for Web3. And also, the Filipino community is a very young, very energetic, highly connected, and engaged community and population. In fact, we've been first in the world, first in text messaging, first in social media. Now we're very good in social media and content. No? So we really are harnessing that as well, no? As we are learning a lot of new things in YGG. So if you notice, we took gaming beyond just games to learning skills as we were playing together. We started to learn together and saw how gaming started as a point of entry for Filipino talent. Today, it has become a pathway really into digital careers, creative industries, and global economic participation. So we witnessed how our community members who started as gamers started to become creators as well, game developers, game testers, esports athletes, guild leaders, content experts, KOLs, and community moderators. And we started to do these events. And so the people who are helping out, those volunteers are also part of our community members who started to learn, no, and get upskilled. It's really proof that play is a gateway to skills and livelihood. So we put together Metaversity as the clearest expression of our mission. It started just as online courses, no? And now it's really starting to evolve to grow more into a grassroots approach for community learning. In fact, later today, you will hear more about the programs that we're putting together all over the country. Of course, piloting in Palawan, in Mimaropa, and then with the intention of replicating that further across the different islands. So, why are we doing this? At the heart of the mission of Metaversity and of also YGG is us bridging as many opportunities to our kababayans, to our fellow Filipinos, back to the Philippines. No? Instead of us going elsewhere, being overseas Filipino workers, what we're trying to push and really put a lot of energy and resources into is this movement called the Metaverse Filipino Worker. So we want the MFW to acquire the skills that they can truly own. So wherever they choose to go, whatever they want to do, these skills are their own. No market, no game, no whatever can take that away from them, because these are skills that we can just bring to whatever it is that we're curious about and to whatever it is that we'd like to pursue. So we want to, through the Metaverse Filipino Worker Movement, we want to support the much larger initiative of our government to really create all these jobs. Yesterday, we were told that there is a big target, no, of 8 million jobs. So in our own way in Metaversity, through our partners who are here to support this program, we hope to contribute, no, to do our little bit of share in that nation building. So my ask for today is for the students to continue to be curious, to open your minds, to see how you can participate in this space, or to try to have a sense in terms of what sort of skills you'd like to acquire. And we do have our global founders, our creators, our global content creators, our esports athletes. They're here. They're just milling around, part of our community. So I encourage all the students, the young people, to please feel free to approach these guys. No, these things that you will learn from our global operators, our founders, are very valuable skills that you can never learn from any textbook or from any classroom. Another ask of mine for our game partners, our sponsors, and all the other companies that are here, if you're curious about how you could support Metaversity, please approach us, and we will showcase later today a pilot, no? And hopefully this pilot will be replicable for our other partners and for other places here in the Philippines. So with that, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.